My name is Ankush Chowdhury. I have around 13 plus years of experience with the IT industry. Previously, I got an opportunity to work with the companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, L&T, and some mid-scale companies. Now, I am handling the role as a CEO and founder of Learnomate Technologies, where we do provide the trainings on different database technologies, including the other technologies like data engineer, data science, generative AI, and multiple other technologies. I'm not here to do some branding right now. I am here to talk about our PostgreSQL Database Administration. Okay. So when we talk about a database, like when we say that, okay, my client is saying that, okay, we have this business and we want to come up with some database. So what is the database you want to recommend us? So there are multiple databases out there, like we have Oracle database, PostgreSQL database, MySQL database, SQL Server database, especially in the RDBMS databases. Very famous database that we always talk about is Oracle database. But yeah, Oracle database also has some of the challenges. What are the challenges and what are the good things about the Oracle database? Or you take an example of SQL Server database. Especially whenever there is a concept called banking sectors are there, where you have a huge amount of transactions are going to be happen, where you need to do some billing kind of things. That time the industry is recommend to use the Oracle database only. The good thing about the Oracle database is, like, by any chance if you find any issues with your Oracle database, let's say you have some security issues are there or you have some bugs are available in your Oracle database, you guys can go and check with the Oracle support team. They will provide you the patch, and that's the way they are going to respond you back. So Oracle is good, no problem in that. What is the bad thing about the Oracle? The bad thing about the Oracle is costly. Like if you want to install the Oracle database, it is not free. Of course, you need to pay a very huge licensing cost. So when you are using multiple database, the licensing cost will be really huge. So that's a main challenge with the Oracle database. So especially those clients who think that they can invest some money on the database, they will definitely go with the Oracle database because their revenues is also coming very huge. But yeah, there are some projects where they want to use the databases but they cannot spend so much of money, and they are mostly concerned about the costing. That time they will go with the PostgreSQL database. So PostgreSQL database is an open source database, and since it is an open source database, if you are using this PostgreSQL database, you don't need to worry about the charges, you don't need to worry about the licensing cost. Then why it is like it is open source? So like I talked about the advantages, but what are the disadvantages are there? The main challenge with the PostgreSQL database is all about the support. Let's say I got some issues with my PostgreSQL database, I got some vulnerabilities in my PostgreSQL database. Where I can reach, right? Again, it is an open source database now, so there is no one who take care of this PostgreSQL database, right? Because it is taken care by the community only, the set of people. There are some very advanced minded people, they are taking care of this PostgreSQL database, but you cannot rely on them. Like let's say you got a issue today, you cannot go back to them and saying that, boss, we have a issue, can you come and check online? No, they are not going to do that because they don't have a support team available, because it is completely free of cost now. And there is obviously when there is no money, there is no support. It's like our training only. When you are the part of our paid batch, you will get a support also. We have a dedicated support team who takes care of control. They'll try to fix your issues also. Even I am also there. So that's how the PostgreSQL database is good. Right now, if you see the graph, especially of the PostgreSQL database, it is really booming in the market. One more thing which I want to talk about the PostgreSQL database is, nowadays I have seen many people along with the Oracle database, they are also trying to understand about the PostgreSQL database also. So it is not like, if you are a Oracle DBA, you cannot understand PostgreSQL database, or let's say you are a MySQL DBA or SQL Server DBA, you should be strong with that particular database only, not like that. See, right now the industry is saying that you need to have at least 2 databases in your resume. So whenever you are trying to switch your career into the IT industry, the industry is expecting that you should have, the industry is expecting that at least 2 databases should be there in your resume. So the best combination, like 2 days back I have taken one poll on my LinkedIn also, which is I think 749 people has voted on it, and they have recommend that Oracle with PostgreSQL is the best combination to start with, because Oracle is a enterprise database. You need to have one open source database. Generally when you are working with the project, you will not work with the one database, you will have multiple database will be there. So earlier time, you will have a dedicated team for Oracle database, dedicated team for PostgreSQL database, dedicated team for SQL Server or MySQL database. But things are changing now. Now you will be alone. Okay, not alone means you will be the team, but the expectation is really high. Along with the Oracle database, you should have a very strong understanding about the PostgreSQL database also. So you consider this is a double opportunity for you. You can expect a very good package, and if you go to the Naukri or LinkedIn, you will see that lot of good opportunities are also coming for PostgreSQL database only. So believe me, if you are coming from Oracle or MySQL or SQL Server background, any one database, you will find this PostgreSQL database very easy, because you can relate your current knowledge, with the PostgreSQL database also. So yeah, this is going to be a really wonderful, and the best part about the training which I'm going to start, because my core area is Oracle, so I'm going to compare Oracle with PostgreSQL database, and that way it will be like, you'll feel like, okay, everything. It's just a matter of name, right? So for example, like you have some different naming convention in Oracle database, same concept is there. It just like, your names are getting changed in PostgreSQL database. In Oracle database we have archilogs, in PostgreSQL also we have archilogs. In Oracle we called it as a redolog files, here we called it as a wall files. So we have a DB writer, here we have a BG writer. So almost, you will find that, okay, the most of the things are similar only, and you will get it very easily. Okay, you will get it very easily. Acha, able to understand guys till now whatever I discuss, everyone? I know that it's completely theoretical, but whatever I'm telling you, everyone, are you able to understand? Prakash is saying yes, Rakesh is saying yes, Sachin is saying yes, Sushant is saying yes, Venkatesh is saying yes, yeah, Rahul is saying yes, Deepak is saying yes, Shivraj is saying yes, Surface is saying yes, Abhijit is saying yes, Oppo is saying yes, Digvijay is saying yes, Raj is saying yes. Great. So you people are understanding it very clearly. Altaf is saying yes. Okay, thank you so much for responding, because based on your confidence only, based on your interaction only, I'll get a confidence to talk about the next things. Okay, so yeah, till now we discuss everything really good, no problem in that. Let me share my screen. Okay, let me share my screen. Yeah, so this is our number. If you have any questions, queries regarding this program, you guys can reach out to this number, and please fill up the form also. Okay, let me here. I'll take one small concept. Generally, are you people coming from Oracle background? Everyone? Anyone is there from Oracle? Or you people are completely freshers? How is that? We have most of the people from Oracle. Okay, nice. We have a lot of people from Oracle, MS SQL, fine. Okay, other databases, MS SQL is also there. 5 years of experience in PT performance tuning, great. Okay, nice. I'm from Oracle DBA, just completed your Oracle DBA batch last month. Okay, nice. PostgreSQL also people we have. Great to see that we have a people coming from multiple databases, and you guys are doing really good job in your career. Thank you so much. Okay, so See, normally what happened, okay, let me tell you, in Oracle database, let's take an example of Oracle. I'll take an example of Oracle first, and then I will try to compare it with other database. See, for example, let's consider that this is my employee table. This is my employee table, and under that employee table there are ID, name, and salaries there. For example, the ID is 1, the name is Sagar, and his salary is 1000. Okay, consider that you want to change his salary. So you want to change the salary from 1000 to 2000. So basically what you do, you are going to run update statement in Oracle database. So you will say update employee set salary equals to how much? 2000, where ID equals to 1. So this is the command we are going to run in Oracle database. Similar command you are going to run in our PostgreSQL database also. So normally, like, when we talked about the multiple databases, generally their SQLs are not going to be changed. It's like a same only. So you change the salary from 1000 to 2000. So whenever you are performing any DML operations in any databases, if you want to make that transactions permanent, you need to do commit. Or if you think that okay, you have made the mistake and you want to roll back the transactions, you can fire the command like rollback. So you can use rollback command. So commit is to commit the transaction, rollback is to roll back the transactions, correct? So you change the salary from 1000 to 2000 by running the command like update. Before the commit, this 1000 should be stored somewhere, right, in Oracle database. Where it gets stored? In Oracle database. Where we are storing this 1000 in Oracle database. The previous salary, see, you have updated the transaction, but you have not committed it. You have not committed. So that previous salary should be stored somewhere, right, in Oracle database. Where we store that? Where we store? Tell me, everyone. We store it in the undo table space. Right? And if you have done the commit, then the role of the undo is gone. If you done the commit, this 1000 will be replaced with 2000. So basically, same record is going to be updated in Oracle database. Let me repeat it. So consider that you have a 1000, you change 1000 to 2000. Unless and until you are not doing commit, the 1000 will be stored under undo table space, or undo segment will store that. So undo will store 1000. As soon as you have done the commit, so 1000 will be replaced with 2000, and undo is not required now because you have already done the commit. So basically in Oracle database, the same record will be replaced with 1000 and 2000. So 1 Sagar and 2000. The same record is going to be replaced with new record. But in PostgreSQL database, the things are little changed. In PostgreSQL database, how it works? In PostgreSQL database, the same record I am telling. Okay, let's take an example. Same record. Employee table. We have ID, name, and salary. Let's take an example. We have ID like 1. The name is Sagar, same person. The salary is 1000. Let's take an example. You change the salary from 1000 to 2000. By firing which command? Update statement. By firing update statement, you change the salary from 1000 to 2000. Actually, in PostgreSQL database, the previous salary is not going to be stored in undo table space. There is no concept called undo in PostgreSQL database. What PostgreSQL will do internally, as soon as you are going to change the salary from 1000 to 2000, internally it is going to insert one more record. With the new salary like 1 Sagar and 2000. So you will have old record also here, and you will have new record also here. So you have old transactions and new transactions also. On the same time, before commit, if someone select the same record, select star from table name where ID equals to 1, which salary he will get? Tell me, guys. Before commit, if someone is doing select, the second user, he is doing select, which salary he will get, whether he will get 1000 or 2000, he will get 1000 only. But from where this 1000 is coming, this is coming from the table only, it is not coming from, so this table related information will be stored under data file. So data file contain your old record also as well as new record also. So what PostgreSQL is doing, as soon as you are updating the salary from 1000 to 2000, it is not updating the same record. The same record is not going to be updated. What it will do internally it is going to insert one more record, one Sagar and 2000. So you will be saying like, okay, then does the user see two records at a time of Sagar? No. Before commit he will see 1000, and after commit if you are doing select, which record he will see? 2000. He will see 2000. After commit he will see 2000. Now as soon as you have done the commit, do we require this first record? We don't require it. But what PostgreSQL will do that? It will keep older record also, and it will keep new record also. What PostgreSQL will do, just like in Oracle database, in Oracle what happening? The same record will be updated with new record, but not in PostgreSQL database. In PostgreSQL database, your old record will be also there, new record will be also there, but old record will not be visible, not visible to the client. Even though it is available on the data file level, that tuple, actually in Oracle we called it as a row, here we called it as a tuple. So that tuple, that row, we called it as a dead tuple. That row become dead, but it is a part of your table. Because we do not have a concept called undo table space. Actually in PostgreSQL, most of the things are managed on the file level only. Most of the things. So basically whenever you are doing update, internally it will do insert, so this new record will be inserted and old record will be also there, but that old record will become dead tuple. That will become dead tuple. Are you able to understand, guys? Everyone, are you able to understand? Everyone, Rakesh is saying yes, Prakash is saying yes, Anil Ban is saying yes, Surface is saying yes, Suraj is saying yes. 1000%, 2000%. Oh, great. Digvij is saying yes, Dinesh is saying yes. Dinesh is saying no. Okay, it's okay. Okay, nice. Okay. So that's the magic of PostgreSQL database. Okay, it's not a magic actually, but with this architecture, let's say you are doing, let's take an example. If you are doing 1000 update, so internally how many records will be inserted? 1000 insert will be there. Okay, 1000 record will be there. New record will be inserted over there. So tell me, what will be the problem? What will be the problem with this case? Altaf is saying, so it will consume more space on the table level. So when you check the table size, let's take an example. When you check the table size, let's say my table size is 50 GB. The total size of my table is 50 GB. But if you take the example of live tuple, भाई 50 GB तो है, लेकिन उसमें से जिंदा कितने हैं? Then you will understand that okay, only 25 GB is live tuples, and rest of the are dead tuple only. So that is the main challenge. The main challenge with this architecture is, you will observe that so many dead tuples are there, so many live tuples are also there, but it is increasing the size of your table. So what you will do in that case? Definitely you need to remove. What you need to do? You want to remove data tuple. I want to remove this data tuple. I don't want data tuple. I only want live tuple only. Live tuple means only the one which are visible by the customers, the end users. So for that we need to call a concept called vacuuming. We need to call a concept called vacuuming. As the name suggests, vacuum. What vacuum will do? What vacuum will do? The vacuum is a maintenance activity which will remove your data tuple from the table. Let's take an example. I have first record which is a light tuple. This is data tuple. This is light tuple. This is data tuple. So I am going to, if I call vacuuming, it will remove this data tuple. As soon as you are going to remove the data tuple, in table you will see only the light tuples only. Light tuple, light tuple, light tuples. Date tuples are gone. Date tuples are gone. Only I can see light tuples only. I can see only light tuples only. Understanding? Understanding everyone? Understanding? Everyone understanding? Guys, able to understand? What vacuuming will do? Vacuuming is a maintenance activity who is responsible to remove your data tuple. Why we are removing data tuple? We are removing a data tuple to release the space of your table from the operating system level also, or the blocks which has been consumed. See, internally what is data file? It is a block only, na? It is a block. Let's say this block, these are the blocks are there. These are blocks are there. This block contain data tuple, light tuple, light tuple. Now this data tuple block, what I want to do? I want to reuse it, right? I want to reuse for light tuple. I cannot do that. I cannot do that now because data tuple it is there. So how it will do that? By using the vacuuming concept. Vacuuming, what vacuuming will do? Vacuuming will remove this data tuple and you can use it. You can use it for light tuple. You can use it for light tuple. That is called vacuuming. Again, the vacuuming can be online activity. The vacuuming can be vacuuming is an online activity itself. Offline activity is also there. The main part is like, do we need to perform this activity again and again manually? No. So we can call manual vacuuming also. Like if you think that I want to call manual vacuuming, that is possible, or you can call it automatic vacuuming also. Automatic vacuuming is also possible. Automatically means, wow, just take an example. For example, my table contain 1000 record. How many records? 1000 record. As soon as my table got changed by 10% means, let's say the 100 new record got added. The 100 new record got added or updated, automatically the vacuuming will call. So you can mention that scale factor. You can mention that scale factor. Scale factor means you can mention that what is the part, what is the part of my table if got changed. If 10% of my table got changed, the vacuuming should call automatically. As soon as I see this many data tuple, automatically the vacuuming should call. You can do that. You can design that. And there are multiple other ways are also there. Okay, there are multiple other ways are also there. Again, you can call manual vacuuming, you can call automatic vacuuming. Everything is possible. So you might be asking, like, do we need to call the vacuuming only for table level? Like, let's say I have 1000 tables are there in my Oracle, not in Oracle. Let's take an example. I have 1000 tables are available. Are we going to call vacuuming for each and every table? So you can call the vacuuming on table level. You can call the vacuuming on schema level. You can call the vacuuming on database level also. A complete database level also you can call vacuuming. Is it an online activity? Yes, it is an online activity. And actually in a vacuuming also, there are two types are there. We discuss about the automatic vacuuming, manual vacuuming. But when you say vacuuming, there are two types are there. One is normal vacuuming versus there is a normal vacuuming, and what is the second one? What is the second one, guys? Normal vacuuming is there. What is the second one? Anyone? Full vacuuming. ये vacuuming का spelling भी थोड़ा अलग है साला. VACWMING something like that. Normal vacuuming and full vacuuming. When you call full vacuuming, it will release the space on your operating system level. Like for example, if I say my table size is 50 GB, which contain data tuple also, after full vacuuming, what will happen? The 50 GB will reduce to, let's say, 30 GB. But the main problem with the full vacuuming is, what is the main problem with the full vacuuming? The main problem with the full vacuuming is, what is the main problem with the full vacuuming? The main problem with the full vacuuming is it will lock your table. It will lock your table when the vacuuming is going on. It will lock your table. It will lock your table when the full vacuuming is going on. Lock means on that time you cannot perform any operation on the table level. It will lock your table. It is online activity, no problem. You don't need to shut down the cluster and all. You don't need to do that, okay? But it will lock your table when you are calling full vacuuming. And it will release the space on your operating system level. When you say normal vacuuming, let's say you fire a command like vacuum and your table name is, let's say, EMP. This is a normal vacuuming. When you say normal vacuuming, the block can be reused. The block which contain a data tuple can be reused by the live tuples, can be reused after normal vacuuming. Again, the good part about the normal vacuuming is you can perform a read write operation on that particular table or schema. You can do that. So generally what we do when I have a downtime, or you say that my business is not working right now, what I will do? I will go with the when I think that, okay, I do not have sufficient space on my database level, boss, I don't have a space now, what to do? That time I will go with the full vacuuming. Otherwise you will go with the normal vacuuming. Are you going to do this activity manually? No, you can do it automatically also. Can I create a script and can I schedule that? Yes, you can do that. If you think that I want to schedule it, you can do that, no problem in that. If you want to schedule it, you can schedule it also, no problem in that. Able to understand, everyone? Guys, whatever we are discussing, are you able to understand? Okay, are you able to understand? Everyone, Rakesh is saying yes, Prakash is saying yes, Chetan is saying yes, Suresh is saying yes, Sadanand is saying yes, Aisha is saying yes, Abhijit is saying yes, Aman is saying yes. Great to see you guys. You people are understanding. Okay, so that's how the things are working. Actually, the things are working. Okay, I know that you people are very much curious to know more about the vacuuming. I know that you people are having a lot of questions in your mind. Okay, but don't worry about that. Okay, I will take care of all your technical questions in the next lecture. But today I am here to talk about that a very interesting thing that we are going to come up with. I need to stop my all the resources. 1 minute, guys. This is my, did I stop all my resources? It's very compulsory. Okay, I think I have stopped the services. Okay, it looks good. Okay, so yeah, so this is official website of Learnomate, learnomate.org. This is official website, and this is official. So if you go here, guys, this is the YouTube channel of Learnomate also. Like, by any chance, if you don't know about the Learnomate, so yeah, we have around 82,000 followers on our YouTube channel. We are the best database administrator. Like, we have around 63 million views till now. You can see almost 1 million we are getting every month. A lot of people are watching us actually. Okay, so yeah, again, this is all. This is our YouTube channel. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, if you go here, click on the PostgreSQL DBA. Okay, if you could just go here, and if you just see this, okay, what we are going to cover with this course, right? What we are going to cover with this course. So I want to make it a very practical. Like normally those people who know about the Learnomate, we always provide the practical sessions along with the theoretical sessions also. So if you see my notebook, so many things, like just now I discussed about the theoretical things, but when we see practically, then it will be a really fun, right? So I'll show you that practically, don't worry about that. So we talked about from very basic. We'll start with the architecture. We'll start with the architecture, then installation part, the schema management, backup recovery. We will talk about the AWS RDS services also, the migration part. We will see the ORA to PG, Oracle to PostgreSQL migration we are going to see. We will do the database upgradation also and performance part. And the most important thing, like most of the people are asking actually for me, that's a replication. So we are going to cover the replication also. Just like in our Oracle, we have a data guard concept is there, right? Data guard and all. So similar way, we have a concept here. We called it as a replications. So that also we are going to cover with this course. So the complete syllabus I have mentioned over here. Do you guys want me to talk about my experience, my technical experience? If you guys want to know more about me, like maybe you can just come to my LinkedIn. That's my LinkedIn channel. So yeah, previously I worked with the companies like Cognizant, where I can see. So that's my. So if you see my LinkedIn, you guys can follow me on my LinkedIn also if you are interested to get in touch with me. So this is my LinkedIn. Yeah, previously I worked with where is that? Where I can see. This is my offline classes. We have offline class in Pune location also. So those people who are interested for offline, they can join me offline also. Where my experience is there? Someone asked me about the experience now. Where I can see that about me. I don't know. Yeah, that's my experience. Yeah. So if you just see here. Yeah, I worked with the multiple companies actually. Smart Data, Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, L&T, then Learnomate Studio. We have multiple products. So yeah, you guys can follow me here and we can have a good discussion. Great. Okay, what I will do, yeah, so we are coming with a new batch of PostgreSQL DBA training. That will be completely real time, job oriented, because I don't focus on this certification and all. Generally my focus is on, like, how you can crack the interview and what are the challenges that you get in your interview. Again, if you have any questions, queries, anything, please feel free to ask me about the training. Whatever questions you have about the training, you guys can ask me, guys. Yeah, you can unmute and you can ask your questions. Whatever trainings you have, you guys can ask me. Oh, can you please fill up the form, guys? By any chance, if you want to talk to me, you can fill up the form. Okay, you can fill up the form also. Yeah, do you have any questions for me, everyone?
Good evening, Uncle.
Yes, please.
My name is Vamsi.
Yes, please.
So previously I have experience in Tech Mahindra as an associate when I started my career in associate level for 2 years. After that I moved to the Oracle Labs DBA for 3 years around. So after that I moved to school sector. So again I want to go to MNC. Is there any hurdle, like anything suggestion for you?
So you have your previous experience with the IT, you said earlier,
Yes, correct.
and there is a gap of how many years? That
Just from Oracle Labs DBA to my school, I moved to the school sector as a system administrator. So around it's 8 months.
what is the designation over there?
Where in school?
School and that college one.
No, school.
School.
In school, I designation is system administrator.
So that's fine. Now you can show that experience also. System administrator, you can show, even say 8 months of gap is not a big gap, okay? Till 1 year there is no problem, okay? So there is no problem. What you can do, just give me a minute, okay? So what you can do, you can show your previous experience, okay? You can show your previous experience as a, you can show your previous experience as like you were working on a technical stuffs, okay? I have a lot of my friends in my connections, lot of my students, those who are able to successfully start the career into the IT industry. My suggestion will be, don't be the part of that college and all like for the longer time. That's not good for your career, okay?
So how can I judge for the interview? Today I went for the interview. He is saying like in the morning only I went for the interview.
Huh.
Why you went for from IT to school sector?
So you see that you can say anything. You can say that because of family responsibility, I need to be with my family and all like that. You can say, okay, there is no problem. See, especially in the ladies also, a lot of people are taking a gap also, okay, and they are able to start and resume their career, okay. So it's not that difficult because you don't have that much of gap. 8 months is nothing, okay. Many people are taking the gap, okay. So there is no problem
So
in that.
here how can I overcome
8 months of gap now you can show like that 8 months of gap like you are working.
like which I work for the like
You consider that it is, you consider that I was the part of technical department over there, okay. You consider like that, you just tell them like that, then it will be done.
Okay, thanks for your valuable suggestion. Thank you.
Thanks.
तरीके से छोटे छोटे कप्स में भी इसे बना सकते हो.
Yes please.
Sagar here.
Yes please.
You said there is no undo for PostgreSQL, right? So if any update happens or insert happens, how Postgres going to handle the rollback?
We'll take that technical later, okay, in the class.
Uncle,
Yes,
this side Govilas, I had posted one question.
that na I have seen that, no, that will not be covered, okay, that will not be covered.
Okay. So if I want to know that, is there any link or something you can share?
I have shared na somewhere, 1 meter. So you guys can hear, go. Can you see that?
Yes, I have gone through the syllabus. But if in case beside this I want to know something, or I want to know, so is there anything you can provide me or some link or I can go through?
No, yeah, that we can do that. That I can do that. Yeah, I can help you with that.
Okay.
Yeah, actually the PostgreSQL is a open source now. That is the reason many things are coming in between that. Okay. Again, it.
There are multiple, if I want to do installation, suppose, I have seen multiple blocks where the link means the steps go same, but the parameters go change.
Acha, that project to project or environment to environment, that's getting changed. Correct.
Yes,
Hmm.
because of the Linux environment.
I got it.
Sometimes it is Red Hat, Oracle, Ubuntu. Due to that, the coding gets changed.
That is happening with Oracle also, not with only Postgres, okay. Because every project has different applications. Every project has different operating system servers. So that values are not fixed. So you need sometimes like you need to go with trial and error also, okay. Because
Also, the 3 point I had mentioned because they are one of the most important points which get asked for DBA to implement. So that one not mentioned in the course, so I thought.
we'll check that. I'll check that once.
Okay.
Just check the note. Yes, please. Anyone have any questions? If you guys have, you guys can fill up this form also, so that by any chance, if you want to talk to me later on, so we can discuss about that one. Yes, please.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, you gonna cover this PostgreSQL course from basic, no? Because
We'll start with basics only. No, we'll start with basics only. Actually, those who are fresher, for them we are going to cover SQL and Linux also. So basically, if you want to start the career as a database administrator, you should have some basic understanding of SQL and Linux also. So we will start from SQL and Linux also. Okay. So that level will start. Okay. So we'll provide you the recording of that. Yes, please.
Sir, this is Shashi.
Yes, please, Shashi.
Actually, I joined late. So, when are we going to start this session? I mean, this training?
This week we are starting. This week.
Okay, this week?
Yes. This week I starting.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. And the concept which I told you previously, that concept we called it as a MVCC, guys. Okay, multi-version concurrency control. Okay. What is the timing? Mostly we will have a morning time. Morning time is normally morning means 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. If you guys are not comfortable with this timing, we have another timing also available. That is evening timing, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. That timing is also available. This will be live class. Again, you will get the recording also. Every day we record the sessions also. So by any chance, if you miss the lecture, so you will get recording also. Okay. For fees details, you can fill up the form. So my team can contact with you, and they can, get in touch with you. How much retention? It is 1 year. Okay, for 1 year you can access all the recordings, and if you miss anything, you can go through the recording also. If you want to repeat immediately next batch, whatever we are going to start, you can repeat it also. Okay.
Uncle sir, one more question.
Yes.
Let's say once we are done with this course, so are we going to get any certificate from our institute?
We'll do that. We'll provide that.
Okay.
Will provide. So we have a dedicated support team also available. By any chance, even after the class also, if you have any questions, let's say you are doing some practice and you want someone to fix that, so we have a dedicated support team is also available. So they will take your control and they will fix your issues. The class will be interactive. You can ask your n number of questions in the class also. Even after the class also, you can ask your question in the group, and in the group my team is also available. Okay. If you want to repeat, you can repeat the batch also. Next immediate batch, whenever we are going to start, you can repeat that batch also.
Hi Ankush, are there any certification that need to be done for a DBA in Postgre?
You can do that. There is a EDB certification is there. So EDB is providing certification.
Is there any specific name or EDB only?
No, you can just do some Google. I forget the name of that. That code is there, but you can just do like EDB PostgreSQL certification. You will get a link that you can do.
Okay.
So is there any fee for that? If I go for EDB certification?
Nothing is free in this world, man.
I understand, but do you have any idea like how much you have to pay for that?
I think 20,000, I believe. Around.
Okay.
I think so. Generally, it's 20,000, but you guys
So
can go
this is
through.
one-time certification, right?
One time. Okay. Fine, guys. Yeah, so I think we are good to go, and happy weekends, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our today's lecture and you understood some basic concept of PostgreSQL. In the next lecture also, we will talk about some more concept on PostgreSQL. If you want to know more about Learnomate, again, you guys can reach out to the Learnomate team, and also we have a YouTube channel, so there you'll get a lot of confidence with the Learnomate. Okay, so can we get PostgreSQL and Oracle session combined way? You can get it. Okay, if you are interested for Oracle and PostgreSQL, most of the time the people who are enrolling to our Oracle, the same people you will find in PostgreSQL database. So yeah, normally like they will go with all the sessions with Learnomate. So yeah, thank you so much for listening me. I hope you like it. Thank you. Anyone have any questions?
Thank you, sir.
Finally, no.
Okay.
Thanks.
Hello.
Yes, Sanskrit.
Sir, is there any relation between data analytics and Postgre? Like, as I'm already going through with data analytics, therefore.
For data analytics to Postgres, not. See, as a data analyst, people you are using Postgres somehow, okay, but direct relation is not there. Data analyst people normally refer to the data engineer courses or data science courses, which is like nowadays with Gen AI. So if you want to prompt with data analyst and you want to go with the latest technology, you can go with the Gen AI program. So recently we have come up with Gen AI program, which is with just 15,000. Okay, so you can go through that also. That is also one of the cheapest product that we have launched recently. So that you can refer.
Sir, is there any sessions provided related to data analytics? Like,
Data analyst training we have already in our Learnomate. Or if you want free sessions, generally like we conduct every month some free sessions. Like recently we completed 15 days of GNA program. Now I have my 5 days of Oracle DBA program is also there. Cloud computing program is there. All this update you will get it on our Learnomate. Like you can just visit our Learnomate website. You will get all these updates over there. Or you can just fill up the form. My team will inform you.
Okay, sir. Fine. Thanks.
Thanks. Today's recording will be available on YouTube channel. You can go to the live sessions in today's YouTube channel. On YouTube channel, you will get the today's recording. So you guys can go through that. Those who join late, please go through that. So you will get some clarity what we discuss today. So visit our YouTube channel and there you will see the today's live sessions. Okay. Still, if you missed, you can fill up the form. My team will provide you the details. Okay, they will help you. Even though if you are not interested to invest your money on the knowledge, it's okay, guys. Okay, there are many good things that I generally develop on YouTube channel. So if you go to my YouTube channel, if you go to my playlist, so many good things so many good things we have already done for MySQL DBA, then cloud, then OCI, Oracle Exadata, Oracle DB entry questions. This is one of the favorite, mostly watch my playlist. Then we have PostgreSQL also, somewhere it should be. Okay, so you guys can refer this Oracle DBA mock interviews. Where is the Postgres? I don't see that. Where is Postgres? There should be somewhere Postgres. Here. So you guys can go through this one also. So many videos I have created. Okay, so almost like millions of views we get and millions of people are watching us. So yeah, thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, guys. Happy weekend and see you in the class very soon. Thank you.